Alright, section 12.1, video number 3. It's a pretty easy problem. You were just going to use our calculator, but again, we want to make sure you understand the concept of what's going on here. So, since we are using our calculator, if using TI-83, TI-84, or one of those calculators, the first thing that you want to do is you want to check your mode, because you can see we have a cosine of 54 degrees. So, when you go to mode, you want to make sure that you're in degrees, since our angle is given in degrees. When you get to trig, trig pre-calc as a senior, you're going to talk about another way to measure angles besides degrees, called radians. Alright, so go ahead and turn on your calculator, and what you want to do is you want to hit the cosine button, cosine, and then you're just going to hit 54, and then you're going to hit enter. And if all goes according to plan, you should get 0.5878. So I'm just going to do the first four digits here for the cosine. And really, let's think about what does this value represent. So if you think back to what we've been doing so far in section 12.1, the cosine is simply a ratio of two sides of a triangle. So the cosine was the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. So we have some triangle here with an angle of 54 degrees, and when we make the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, we end up getting 0.5878. Now, up until this point, we've only been working with the ratios as fractions, but they can easily be decimals as well. So what does this value represent? This is the ratio of the adjacent side of a right triangle to the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Okay, that's it.